It's on the side of the mountain. The pilot had one chance. Yeah. Yeah, we've got an Arctic track, aren't they, Iceland?
After a nice breakfast with a beautiful sunrise, we are airing down to conquer the desert of Abu Dhabi one more time in a second stage of our Al Ain to Liwa exploring trip. In the first stage, we covered around 250 kilometers from Al Ain to Hameem desert. Then we ended our trip camping on coast of Abu Dhabi. On our way back home, we visited the Emirates National Auto Museum and covered our visit in the previous video, as we covered the first stage in two separate other videos of the same series. If you are new to my channel, you may please subscribe and check the previous videos of this series. In this second stage, we are covering around 100 kilometers of sandy dune drive from Hameem to Liwa. It was really an interesting trip, so please stay tuned to see how it goes. Right now we are driving on a track that goes into the desert. Sometimes it turns into a sandy drive like this, This track actually is one of the already explored earlier in the Tropic of Cancer expedition. So now we are exactly driving on the Tropic of Cancer, which is gonna take us far into the desert. Then from there we're gonna take it to the south so we can explore the Hameem desert. After driving 15 kilometers on sandy tracks, we are heading south far into Hameem desert towards Liwa. So we got here a pop-out. Pop-out is a classic tire failure. That tire is popping out of the wheel bead. It's often to happen during dune driving, when the vehicle lands with most of its weight on one wheel. In most of the cases happens to one of the front wheels. It is easy to fix by simply lifting the wheel off the ground using any sort of jack, then to refill a tire with air until pressure gets enough to force the rubber back again into the wheel bead. And this is what we are exactly doing here. At this point, it was turning into a classic Arabian desert safari. We were surprised of how the nature is pure and kept untouched at this part of Hameem desert. It is presenting a real experience of being to a remote, beautiful, endless Arabian Sahara. Please stay tuned for next episode, where interesting drive continues until we reach one of the best camps we ever had and enjoying delicious camp cooking food. Then having a challenging time to get out of the desert.
Never felt better on the tarmac.
Please consider subscribing to my channel and activate notification bell to receive coming videos.